Good morning, you students. You are getting one more marks. I am going to say one word substitute. A place where weapons are kept. A place where weapons are kept. It is called arsenal. Arsenal. Next one. The original inhabitants of a country. It is called aborigines. Aborigines. A place where one lives permanently. A place where one lives permanently. Domicile. D-O-M-I-C-I-L-E. Then, one who disclaims God or one who doubts about the existence of God. Agnostic. Agnostic. The next one. One who is a believer of God. Believer of God. Theist. Theist. T-H-E-I-S-T. One who does not believe in God. Atheist. Atheist. A-T-H-E-I-S-T. Atheist. Nirisharavadi. For example, Shelley, the great poet who died at the age of 30 in boat capsize, was an atheist. He wrote many revolutionary poems when Karl Marx, the ardent revolutionary, was in the cradle. That means the real revolutionary is P.B. Shelley. Was a great poet in English literature. Anyway, let us come to our subject. Persons of the same age. Persons of the same age. Coeval. C-O-E-V-A-L. Pronunciation is coeval. C-O-E-V-A-L. Coeval. Persons of the same period. Persons of the same period. Contemporary. Contemporary. Persons of the same period. The next. Violation of something which is sacred. Violation of something which is sacred. പവിത്രമായ ഒന്നിനെ അപവിത്രമാക്കുന്നതിനെ എന്തു പറയും? സാക്രിലേജ്. സാക്രിലേജ്. S-A-C-R-I-L-E-G. One who flirts with ladies. Flirts means ശൃംഗരിക്കുക. സ്ത്രീകളുമായി ശൃംഗരിക്കുന്നവനും തരും. One who flirts with ladies. Philanderer. P-H-I-L-A-N-D-E-R-E-R. Philanderer. Place where birds are kept. Place where birds are kept. Aviary. Place where bees are kept. Bees. That is apiary. Apiary. But they themselves made some cage, and that is called a beehive. And that is called a beehive. But place where bees are kept is called apiary. Then a four-legged creature. A four-legged creature. Quadruped. Q-U-A-D-R-U-P-D. Quadruped. Then a person who can use both of his hands equally. What is it called? Ambidextrous. Ambidextrous. Then next one. One who hates war. യുദ്ധവിരുദ്ധ സിദ്ധാന്തങ്ങൾ പ്രചരിപ്പിക്കുന്ന വ്യക്തി. Pacifist. Pacifist. P-A-C-I-F-I-S-T. For example, the great Bertrand Russell, who got the Nobel Prize in 1950 for literature. He is a pacifist. Then another example, another one who does not believe in a bright future, one who does not believe that our future is dull. And he is called a pessimist. Pessimist. Then one who hopes for a bright future. One who hopes for a bright future. He is called optimist. He is called a optimist. Then a masculine woman having the body of a man called Amazon. Amazon. A person having the qualities of a women. സ്ത്രീ സഹജമായ സ്വഭാവമുള്ള വ്യക്തി. Effeminate. One who stood for the upliftment of women. സ്ത്രീകളുടെ ഉന്നമനത്തിന് വേണ്ടി പ്രവർത്തിക്കുന്ന വ്യക്തി. That is called a feminist. One who is too much talkative. This question was asked for the PSC in 12 districts, and the answer given by them is loquacious. 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 In bank examination also it asked. The answer they gave is garrulous. Both are same. Garrulous. Garrulous. And I shall say some more. One who is more talkative is called a loquacious, garrulous, blabberer, babbler, chatterbox, gibber, etc. One who is less talkative, taciturn. Then one who does not take drinks, teetotaler, especially alcoholic. I am thinking of alcoholic liquor. One who does not take alcohol is called a teetotaler. A speech made without preparation, extempore. His speech was extempore. EXTEMPORE, extempore. Word for word, verbatim. Then the next one, an ill-tempered woman. ദുശാഠ്യക്കാരിയായ സ്ത്രീ. shrew, SHREW, shrew. Then the act of practice of walking in sleep. Somnambulism. The person is called a somnambulist, and that way is called a somnambulism. Talking in sleep. The act or custom of talking in sleep. That is called a somniloquism. That person is called a somniloquist. ആ വ്യക്തിയെ സോംനിലോക്കിസ്റ്റ് എന്ന് പറയും. അതേ സമയത്ത് ആ രീതിയെ സോംനോലോക്കിസം എന്ന് നമ്മൾ പറയും. One who is habitually silent, taciturn. One who is habitually silent is called taciturn. 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 Okay, let us call it a day. You are getting one more mark. That means you reached 14. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എൻ്റെ ക്ലാസ്സുകൾ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടു എങ്കിൽ എൻ്റെ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക, നിങ്ങളുടെ അഭിപ്രായങ്ങൾ അറിയിക്കുക. റൈറ്റ് സൈഡിലുള്ള ആ ബെൽ ബട്ടൺ അമർത്തുക. വിഷ് യു ഗുഡ് ലക്ക്. God bless you. Okay, thank you.